is how you do Vestra. You can use your index to open up like this. Clip the package with your index and your base of your thumb, and you're gonna pivot out while this package being pushed by your middle finger all the way down like this. So it's perpendicular, and you're gonna flip this packet over. While doing that, you're gonna use your middle to push it down on the top part right here. Meanwhile, your thumb also gonna move on top just like this. From here, you're gonna drop all this packet down into your little triangle right here, and you're gonna use your index to push it up to clip onto your thumb. So you're gonna have a package like this. What you're gonna do with your index is you're gonna slide this one card out all the way to the other side and clip between your middle and index like that. And then you're gonna use your index to push all the way in while releasing your middle finger, and then you're gonna slide your index all the way up to clear that package. Remember to clip onto this package that was gonna fall. And then from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide your index inward like that. So all the way in. That's it. Slow motion this time. That's it. That's Vestra. Happy learning.